through the heart, casting dice and roulette.
AFK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you're just browsing and you're new, welcome. Please remember to like and subscribe. And if you're not new, welcome. Well, today, guys, I don't even know how to tell you this, but let's just get right into it. I hope you all are doing great and sitting down for this one, because I don't know, I think if it should go wrong, the fire department is gonna come up in this, in Fergie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make something very authentic. Come on down. Roast yellow yam with saltfish. So I'm gonna use a tomato. I'm gonna use onion. Usually I use white onion, but this is what I have at home. Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, garlic, some thyme, and some Maggi, all purpose. So we're going to roast the yellow yam. In Jamaica, we would roast it on fire, wood fire, or you know, we make up our own little, that we used to do roast pork in a jump pan with some charcoal. And I'm going to do it today in my kitchen on my stovetop. God help us. Guys, it's not gonna be the same because the smoke from the wood gives the yam a different flavor. It gives it a really good flavor. But we're gonna try something out. So we're going to bring Jamaica to Fergie's Kitchen big time. See you in a minute. This is how we do it. I turn on the stove. You don't have to put it on high. Just put it on medium and put it so it start roasting. I'll see you guys in a little bit to let you see how it's going. So guys, right? While the yam is roasting, I had the saltfish soaking. Usually we don't soak the saltfish, but because of health reason, high blood pressure, I soak my saltfish to get a lot of the salt out of it. So now I'm cleaning up my saltfish before preparing it. So I'm taking off the scale and the skin off the saltfish. So guys, there's a yam roasting, taking its time, doing its thing, and I'm gonna put some oil in the pot because I'm going to fry my codfish. Guys, I just finished frying my codfish, saltfish. So now I'm gonna make the sauce in the same pot. This is the garlic and onions. I'm gonna have this saute for like 4 to 5 minutes, and then I had my tomatoes and pepper. So guys, I'm making the sauce for the fish. I just had the tomatoes, and now I'm gonna add some dry thyme. Just a pinch. And some Maggi all-purpose, just a pinch. And I'm gonna have this saute a little bit, and then add the fish to it. And guys, this is what's going on with the yam. See, getting nice. So my FK gang, is it just me or anyone is wondering, how is she gonna scrape that yam? All right, here we go. So my FK gang, all I can say is, yes, so nice. Here is my roasted yellow yam and saltfish. Yes, yes. What is going on in Fergie's Kitchen? Huh, guys? There you go. Let me tell you, say, It bad. Once I feel for it, guys, I'm going to make it. Anyway, as you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from Psalms 34, verse 22. The Lord redeems the soul of his servants. None of those who take refuge in him shall be condemned. All right? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, there are far, far better things ahead than anything that we all left behind. Just remember that. Don't worry about what's in the past. All right, guys? So, guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. This dish here brings out the African in me. Thank you guys for watching today. I love you guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.